Ready for some science magic? Today we are gonna create a liquid time clock with everyday items. Make two holes into the bottle caps and connect them. Insert the straws into the bottle caps and make sure that they are sealed properly. Fill the first bottle with oil and the second one with colored water. Turn the bottle upside down. The water sinks due to its higher density, while the oil rises, creating a fascinating time measuring visual. For more such fun and educational videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.